Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be in the healthcare field, and it is mostly going to be non-phone. There's only going to be occasional phone use. Most of it is going to be customer service type work through email and chat. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is Grow Therapy. Now, they have 215 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer support representative. This is remote for the United States only. But Grow Therapy is on a mission to transform mental health care accessibility. They're helping to empower therapists to launch and grow thriving insurance-accepting private practices. So they are basically looking for multiple outstanding customer support professionals to maintain strong relationships with their customers, which are their therapists and their clients. So they are hiring more than one person. As a support representative, you'll speak directly to the customers over chat, email, and it says, and sometimes phone. So there's going to be very limited phone use. You'll maintain high volume while also focusing on quality. A successful candidate will showcase composure and flexibility as the customer needs evolve and case volume changes. Now, of course, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for somebody who can lead with empathy and prioritize customer values over everything else. Someone who has been successful working independently and remotely before. Someone who is comfortable meeting qualitative metrics, such as number of conversations you work on per day. So you've got to be productivity driven. Someone who can work in a fast-paced environment. It does say you get bonus points if you have a track record of at least 1 year of customer-facing professional experience, like customer service experience, but that is not required. Now, the salary range for this position is anywhere from $44,250 a year all the way up to $50,375 a year. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. And if you have any feedback on how I can improve this channel, make these job leads more helpful for you, please feel free to leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.